Hello everybody, my name is Diego and today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to add color to a picture, to a simple picture. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to be using some solid color fill layers along with some blend modes and layer masks. So for the purpose of this exercise I'll be using this simple black and white dice that I found online. Depending on the picture you are working on, it might take a few minutes to an hour or so. It all just depends on what type of picture you're working on. And this technique can be used for any other type of picture. You want to change the coloring of a certain object or to add color to a black and white photo of, let's say, of an old photo of a family member you might have or any other type of pictures you have. But for this exercise, we'll be using the simple black and white dice so that you can grasp the simplicity of the techniques we're going to use. So, to get started, all you need to do is select your quick selection tool, and then we're going to select the dice. It's okay if you select all of it, and then select this one too. We're going to change that one too as well. Or we'll actually keep that one and just select this one for now. And notice you selected some unnecessary objects here, like the circles, the dots here. That can be easily done. You just simply click here on the minus sign to subtract the selection. Just go ahead and select. Sometimes you might want to zoom in a bit to grab. You want to grab as much as you can so that it doesn't affect the process. Click again. And depending on what type of object you're selecting, you might want to also change your brushing settings. I'm using 8 pixels, by the way, for to grab like the smaller parts. Okay, then do the same thing here. Usually you drag on the large areas, and then when you come to the corners, you just click on. Click away at the corners. Alright, we're almost finished with that. For this, let me just lower this a little bit more to 5. Alright, that's alright. We'll just call this a happy accident. You might want to zoom in for this part. Zoom into, let's try it too. There we go. That's good. Perfect. I think we'll leave that for now. All right, we'll leave it at that. All right, and now just zoom out. Okay, so once that's done, you want to click back again, and make sure you click on Select and Mask. And then make sure that the radius, the smart radius, is turned on. And we're going to put 5 pixels for the radius. And then for the smoothness, we'll do 4. It's up to you on how many pixels you want to add for the radius and smoothness. I'm just going to do 5 and 4. Click OK. And once that's done, you want to go over down to the bottom right hand corner on the adjustment layer. Select that and again hit solid color. And then we're going to pick, let's do a nice teal-like color. Teal's like my favorite. Teal or turquoise. Hit OK. And here comes the best part. You go to the blend modes. And then you pick overlay for the blending mode. And voila. Look at that. Look at that nice color. And if you're not satisfied with the coloring, you can always go back here and change that. Let's just change it, give it lighter. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Went from black dice to teal dice. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Depending on the type of photo you're working on, it may take a while, it might take a long time. That just depends on how many objects or focus points are there in that picture. So there's nothing much to it. And it's all very simple. If you happen to be working on a, big photo with lots of objects that needs like coloring down to the very detail, I would recommend using the group folder here so that you can better organize your layers and it doesn't get all cluttered up in your layers panel. So, so that's pretty much all there is to it. I'm just going to leave it like that. It looks nice for now. And that's all there is to it to fill a coloring of an object with another coloring. You just select your quick selection tool, select refine mask, choose what the pixels for the radius and smoothing with the smart radius checked in, and then selecting the new adjustment layer and selecting what color you use, and then finalizing that with a blending mode to overlay. So, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, which is on the bottom. And if there's any comments you would like to leave, you're welcome to. And have a wonderful day.